Google AI Agents Intensive Vibe Coding course. Who all are completed, they all received the badges and certificate on Kaggle profile. Congratulations to everyone who received their badge. In this short video, I will show you where can you check your badge and how to download a certificate. Let's get started. Guys, in our channel, complete Google Agent series is there. You can notice, right? From registration to capstone project, everything. Even though registrations are closed, even though there is no certificate, but still understand the concepts by seeing all these videos. Even you can create complete project just with single prompt. See, you can see 10k views are there. Very good response from all of you. Thank you very much for this. Okay, this is the mail which I received from Kaggle with the subject new badge received. Congratulations. Let's click on this. Click on this right side. Click on your profile. Okay, this is the previous batch. This is the previous batch, December 18, 2025. This is the new batch, Vibe Coding course. Just click here. Click on this. That's it. This is the batch. You can see clearly. July 30, 2026. You can click on here, download certificate. And you can click on this, share on LinkedIn. Just click on post. That's it. See guys, there is so much content on our channel. Whatever the series we are taking, we are going to complete it. Okay, just subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.